Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Winter Lights Festival video, but this time I'm in Battersea Power Station. And let's see what they have. Once a power station lighting up London, now a vibrant hub for shopping, dining and entertainment. The historic building has been transformed while keeping its iconic charm. First one is called a Spin Me a Yarn, a giant glowing ball of yarn reimagining everyday objects on a grand scale. The next one is called as Parabolic Light Cloud. It has over 1,000 lights reflecting a spectrum of human emotions. This is In Bloom, an interactive light sculpture inspired by plant pollination, creating harmonious melodies as visitors engage. The next one is Aurora, an installation capturing the essence of the northern lights within Turbine Hall A. This is Spider, a 2-meter wide web of 80 illuminated sculptures forming a captivating arachnid. This is Atlas, a large cyborg-inspired sculpture holding up the weight of the cities we inhabit. This is Tornado, a swirling vortex of light blending natural forces with artistic fantasy. The light installations were close to each other and easily walkable, making it a smooth and enjoyable experience. We had dinner at Battersea. The ambience was great, a nice place to unwind after all the walking, but the portion size wasn't worth the price even though it had good ratings, and the pizza tasted like a frozen one from Tesco's, and it was super disappointing. That's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another interesting video. Cheers guys.